Markets are having a nice little comeback rally today. So let's take a look at what is going on and see if we can figure out what the bounce is all about. And you can see it right here, American Greed. That's CNBC for tonight. But anyways, right now at about 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, the Dow Jones is up 2.9%, almost 3%. S&P, same thing, 2.86. And the NASDAQ up 2.5%. Will this hold until the close? That's the question. As we always like to say, you want to watch the momentum into the close to kind of understand where investors are, what they're thinking. So what's really going on? A couple of things. One is whenever the 10-year yield goes up, equities likely remain under pressure. Whenever they go down, equities will rally. So the bond are taking a break right now. Let's take a look at the bonds right here. The 10-year is down 15 basis points right now, 3.651. So down 15 basis points today. The 2-year yield, let's take a look at the 2-year right now is running at about 4.1, down 10 basis points. So not a whole lot to cheer there, but it is giving a little bit of relief to the markets. And right now, the markets were oversold, a lot of bearishness out there. The Fed is meeting, so there was a lot of speculation that the Fed is going to stop hiking, pivot, those types of things. The UN is calling for the Fed to stop raising interest rates. So a lot of interesting speculation going on there in the markets today. So we're going to get a nice little bounce. So let's take a look at this and see what previous cycles have looked like in the past. And here's the Dow right here. Last week, we had a little bounce. This is a little bit bigger bounce than last week. I think right now that one was about 2.3%. And right now the markets are just about the same on the Dow, 2.4%. So same kind of bounce here. Then we had a couple of down days. So nice little relief rally here. The key is, will it continue into the close? Are we going to continue to see markets rebound from these levels here? Or is this just a little relief rally and then continuation to the downside? Let's take a look at another catalyst here. The 200-week moving average, the S&P finding support on that. The NASDAQ finding a little bit of support on it as well. The Dow Jones is still rejecting off of it. So that's another factor there. This is a key technical level for the markets on that 200-week moving average that they are wrestling with right now. So let's move over and take a look at Bitcoin. And this is Bitcoin trying to get above that 2017 high that it's been wrestling with. Let's take a look at the weekly moving averages, still well under the 200-week moving average. We had the 50 and the 100-week cross to the downside. But right now, Bitcoin is about probably the same as traditional markets today, up about 3.6%. So a little bit stronger bounce than the markets. Still below 20,000. Some analysts calling for a bounce up to 20,500 before more continuation to the downside. So right now, the big story of the day is, what is the Fed doing behind closed doors? Are they talking about stopping? Are they talking about pivoting? Are they talking about hiking rates again? Because we did get a hot inflation print. We did get a strong jobs report, and other indexes are coming in that are showing the economy is still a little bit stronger than what the Fed would like. Markets, the Fed's not going to like to see this today when they're talking. They want tighter financial conditions. So it'll be interesting to see if anything comes out, if and what comes out of these meetings today, if anything at all. So these are the things that I'm looking at. Watch the markets into the close. I'll see you on the next video.